Do you have dark knuckle? You have hand weakling and fine line, or your hand is aging very fast, guys? Look no more, because I'll be showing you how to mix 2 ingredients together. Use it on your hand to scrub all over your hand, to lighten and brighten your hand, to get rid of aging hand and fine line and weakling. And this treatment is as well going to help you to get rid of dark knuckle, helps to lighten your hand, brighten dull looking hand, and make your hand to look radiant. This treatment is going to help to repair damaged hand and make your hand to look younger, smoother, softer, and healthier with just simple ingredients. Guys, let's jump right into this preparation. What you are going to be needing is going to be your tomato. Get your tomato, cut it into 2. Then you are going to be squeezing out your tomato juice inside of a clean bowl, because tomato juice is going to help to lighten your skin, even out your skin texture. It also contains vitamin C, which is very good to reduce dark spots, brighten dull looking skin, give you more radiant complexion. Using tomato juice inside of your natural skincare helps to reduce premature sign of aging. It gently exfoliates dead skin cells, helps to give you a very healthy, younger looking complexion. Tomato contains a natural bleaching agent, which is very good to help lighten your skin naturally, helps to give you a very glowing skin, make your skin to look healthy, even out your skin complexion, and make your skin to look brighter, smoother, softer, and give you a very healthy, younger looking complexion. Now, after squeezing in your tomato juice, get your lime or lemon, cut it into 2. Then you are going to be squeezing half lime juice inside of your tomato juice, because the citric acid in lime juice acts as a natural exfoliant, which helps to remove dead skin cells and promote a healthy looking complexion. Lime juice contains antioxidants, which protect your skin against free radical damage. It helps to achieve a radiant, glowing complexion, deep cleanse your skin, make your skin to look radiant. And also lime juice helps to give you a very glowing and a brighter looking complexion, because it helps to brighten dull looking complexion, make your skin to look healthier, younger, smoother, and at the same time it's going to lighten unwanted skin tone such as dark spots, dark scars, and make your skin to look younger. So squeeze in half lime juice or half lemon juice inside of your tomato, fresh tomato juice. Then you are going to go ahead and mix this ingredient together. Guys, please, if you have watched me from the beginning till now, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe. And also, please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell, so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't get to miss out on any of my upload. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, you're highly welcome to Nkem channel. Thanks for tuning in, and God bless you all. So mix your lime juice and your fresh tomato together. After mixing, you get a cotivou, like your cotivou or your makeup pad remover. Get one of them. Then you are going to be placing this inside of this treatment. This is what you are going to be using to scrub all over your hand for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is really going to help you to lighten and brighten your hand. So you dip your cotivou inside of your tomato juice mixed with your lime juice. This is how you are going to be using this treatment to scrub all over your hand for 20 to 30 minutes. This is really going to help you to lighten dark spots, lighten dark mark, helps to get rid of scars, and as well is going to help you to get rid of aging hand, premature sign of aging. It's as well going to help you to lighten dark knuckle. It's going to help to lighten dull looking hand, make your hand to look presentable, make your hand to look fresh, and as well make your hand to look younger, smoother, and softer. Like this tomato juice mixed with your lime juice is very powerful. If your hand is looking very rough, your hand is looking very dull, your hand is looking very dry, try this treatment on your hand. Just mix your tomato juice and also your lime or your lemon juice together. Squeeze the juice together, mix it together. Use your cotivou just to use this to treat all over your hand. If you're suffering from dark knuckle, you should concentrate on your dark knuckle area. Use this treatment to scrub it properly for about 20 to 30 minutes. You're going to see a big difference. Okay, this is really going to help your hand to look lighter, to look softer, to look smoother, and at the same time it's going to help to get rid of any unwanted skin tone, exfoliate dead skin cells, make your hand to look younger. Like this treatment is very powerful. Guys, the ingredients you need are very simple. It's something you have in your comfortable zone in your kitchen. Mix these 2 ingredients together. You have tomato, fresh tomatoes, you have lime or lemon, squeeze them together, the juice, mix it together. Use your cotivou, scrub all over your hand with the treatment for about 20 to 30 minutes. Allow this to sit on your hand, scrub it for 20 to 30 minutes before to rinse your hand off, and your hand is going to look different. Like this treatment is everything you need if you want to achieve a lighter hand, a brighter hand, and also you want to get rid of hand knuckle, premature sign of aging, like your hand is squeezing, is getting dry, is getting rough, your hand is looking very dry and very squeezy. Try this treatment. Is very good to help you to lighten it and make your hand to look softer, to look smoother, to look healthier, and as well look younger also. So use this treatment to scrub all over your hand. Guys, please, if you have watched me from the beginning till now, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe. And also please do not forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't get to miss out on any of my upload. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new here, you're highly welcome to Nkem and Aurora channel. Thanks for tuning in and God bless you all. So for you to use this treatment, use it inside of your bathroom after mixing, okay, so you wouldn't mess up everywhere. After mixing this, your fresh tomato and also your lime juice together, go inside of your bathroom. You are going to be using this to scrub all over your hand for about 20 to 30 minutes. While scrubbing, to keep yourself busy, you can decide to be talking with your friends, to be gisting on the phone, or you'll be listening to music, so that you feel bored when using this treatment all over your hand. But this is very, very powerful for you to use to lighten dark knuckle, to lighten aging hand, to get rid of squeezy hand, to get rid of unwanted skin tone. This is as well going to help to exfoliate dead skin cells, make your hand to look younger, smoother, softer, lighter, and at the same time it's going to help to get rid of dark knuckle also. It's going to make your hand to look lighter, to look smoother, to look healthier, to look softer, and at the same time lighten dull looking hand. Like, this treatment is everything you need if you really want to get a smoother hand and make your hand to look softer. And this is going to also glow your hand, like give you instant glowing hand. All you just need to do is for you to dip your Cotivu inside of this treatment, use it to scrub all over your hand. If it's your dark knuckle area, like this particular place I am scrubbing, then you should concentrate on your dark knuckle area. Scrub it properly for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is going to help you to get rid of dark knuckle, make your hand to look presentable, helps to get rid of any kind of premature sign of aging and weakling and fine line. Your hand is always looking dry. Try this treatment. It's going to help you get to moisturize your hand, make your hand to look hydrated, and as well give you instant glowing hand. Like, this treatment is very, very good. This treatment can as well be used on your leg, okay? It's as well going to help to lighten your leg, lighten your hand, and make your hand to look healthier, younger, smoother, and make your hand to look beautiful. Now, after you are finished to scrub your hand with this treatment, what you need to do is for you to just rinse your hand with just cold water. You do not need to do much. You after preparing this treatment, you dip your Cotivu inside, use it to scrub your hand for about 20 to 30 minutes. Concentrate on that area that you want to get rid of aging hand and fine line and weakling and knuckle, and any kind of pigmentation you're having on your hand area is going to help you to get rid of it. Make sure you scrub your hand properly with this hand treatment. This is very, very powerful treatment for you to use to scrub out unwanted skin tone, to get rid of skin impurity, any kind of dead skin cells sitting around your hand area. Scrub your hand properly, your knuckle area, under of your arms, every part of your hand, scrub it properly. This is going to help to lighten, to brighten, and helps to get rid of premature sign of aging as well. So scrub your hand for about 20 to 30 minutes. After scrubbing, go ahead and wash. This is my hand after scrubbing for 30 minutes. You can see this is very, very good to lighten, to brighten, to smoothen, and give you a very healthy, younger looking hand. Now, after washing my hand with just cold water, this is my hand. This is very, very good if you want to get a smoother hand, a softer hand. And also, if you have used any product at all that gives you dark knuckle, this is going to help you to treat it, help you to get rid of that dark knuckle and make your hand to look presentable, make your hand to look lighter, brighter, smoother, healthier, and younger. This treatment is very, very good for you to use if you want to achieve a smoother hand, a lighter hand, a softer hand, a younger looking hand. You want to get rid of dark knuckle, you want to get rid of hand pigmentation like scars or dark spots around your hand. This treatment is very, very good. Now, after that, I'm going to be using my kitchen paper just to dry my hand before to apply a moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer to moisturize your hand, but me, I'm going to be using almond oil. You can use almond oil, you can use Vaseline, you can as well use Johnson oil, but make sure it's a natural oil or a natural moisturizer or hand cream that you are using to moisturize your hand after using this treatment all over your hand, okay? Now, I'm going to be using argan oil to moisturize my hand. Like I said, any natural oil of your choice or any natural hand cream of your choice, okay? This is very, very good. After that, you just apply this and then you are good to go. This is very, very good, very powerful for you to use to lighten any kind of pigmented hand and achieve a younger and a softer looking hand. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question relating to this video, please do leave them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. For all the ingredients I use, everything will be listed in the description box below. In case you are not following up on the ingredients, you can check the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, remain blessed, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Any question, leave in the comment section, and I love you and bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye.